Thunderstorm Warning for Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located near Kogar, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Another storm was just south of El Reno. Hazards in the warning include quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Concho, Mustang, Piedmont, Union City, Calumet, and Richland. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building. If a tornado approaches,